Good morning, Scots.
And welcome to the Carnegie Connection.
It's May 3rd, 2021.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Andrew.
Well, this is it.
This is what?
The last half of fourth quarter. We're almost done with the school year.
I can't believe it's almost over. It feels like we just started.
I mean, we kind of did. This really means that we can finish the year on a positive, ready to head into summer, and getting ready for the great school year in the fall.
That's true, but it doesn't change that we had a whole lot of good experience this school year along with some of the bad.
Yeah, that's right. Like getting to go to school while laying in bed wasn't all that bad.
Yep.
So, what do you say we kick off the last half of fourth quarter by getting hyped?
Let's go!
With everything that's happened this school year, you're going to want something to help remember the good parts. That's where the yearbook comes in. The yearbook class has worked really hard to make the yearbook something really special this year, and you're not going to want to miss out. You can get your yearbook online through the Carnegie website for $40 a book. And now that we're back in person, you can collect your friends' signatures to really remember the people who have made your middle school years the best they could be. Get your yearbook now while you still can.
We want to give a big congratulations to 6th grader Kaylee Tsai. She is one of the 18 winners for the SMUD Earth Day virtual art competition to celebrate the Earth. There were over 200 applicants in grades K through 12. Her artwork is featured in a 2021-2022 Earth Day calendar. Way to go, Kaylee! You can check out her project and all the winning designs by using the link in the description of this video.
Teen Talks for our 7th graders that will run through the month of May. That will be through their science classes. And we also have articulation. That's where students put in their class request for the 21-22 school year. So if you are a current 7th grader, whether you're at Carnegie or another school, you're going to be selecting your classes that you would like to take as an 8th grader through your English classes. We also have iReady starting on Wednesday for English. Your focus is on Wednesday to take the iReady English assessment. It should only take about an hour. That's for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And if you don't know how to get on, there is a help desk that's open from 8 to 4 that Mrs. Berry will be hosting.
We have our very first cross-country meet here on Wednesday, which is super exciting. I think it starts at 2:30. So, while we don't have in-person learning on Wednesdays, we will have in-person athletes on Wednesday. So that'll be exciting too. I'm really impressed with the direction following and the shift in everything and how easily our students and their parents actually and our staff is rolling with the changes as they come through. It can be very stressful. You know, we've been almost 18 months now within this pandemic and having to not be here and then be here with major restrictions, and then the restrictions change. And so I'm really impressed with the level of flexibility that everybody is really just rolling with, just because we all feel like we want to be back with each other. So I think that I'm impressed with the flexibility of everybody involved in all of these changes.
On behalf of the eve of Teacher Appreciation Week, any students out there that can show your love and appreciation for your teachers, they would love it. I continue to be amazed by our teaching staff and their ability to go with the change as quickly as it comes. And I've been so appreciative of students out at PE listening to Miss Y and Miss Cindy talk about our dress code policy and picking up their water bottles and just showing respect not only for our campus and each other, but more importantly, showing respect for themselves. And it just makes me proud that we're part of the Scott family.
I'm like a golden retriever. I go, oh, there's a squirrel. Oh, but I have to, and I have a golden retriever who's my favorite dog, but Miss Rainey.
I'm Mrs. Morrison and I teach art here. We do drawing, painting, clay. We get to participate in multiple art shows every year. It's a really fun hands-on class.
Computer Science Discoveries is an introductory computer science course that empowers students to engage with computer science using creativity, communication, problem solving, and fun. Some of the things we do are problem solving in computing, web development, animation and games, and so much more.
We do a lot of fun things in the choir program.
I love being in choir because
there's a lot of people in there that have the same interests as you.
I kind of just get to be myself.
And we get to sing from so many different genres of music.
Mrs. Carey is a great teacher and she really helps you get to know your voice.
A lot of kids come to me their 6th grade year and continue all the way until they're seniors in high school.
Miss Carey, she's just really fun and I really like her.
We have many concerts throughout the year. There's choir and there is advanced choir.
You should join because it's a lot of fun. You get to meet new people and you get to sing.
Media is a mix between a technology and a performing arts class where we make our school news program the Carnegie Connection.
You get full freedom of being creative and just doing whatever you want. It's fun.
It's a great class for students who want to be creative and explore what it's like to be on both sides of the camera.
And we are in charge of putting together the Highlander yearbook. We attend all the different events that take place at Carnegie. If you are interested in editing, design, taking pictures, and you are a great writer, yearbook is the elective for you.
Engineering is a class that starts with design and modeling, learning how to create devices to help people. Then we add computer science to it, so that we can program the devices we're creating. It's a great class for someone who wants to use tools to design and build things.
Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Fedorov and I'm the band teacher at Andrew Carnegie Middle School. We have beginning, intermediate, and the advanced band. Band is a lot of fun. We play a lot of festivals, concerts, school rallies. We play a lot of fun music like Harry Potter and Pirates of the Caribbean. To be in band and beginning band, you don't even need to have any musical experience. It can be zero. We have many instruments. We have flutes, clarinets, saxophones, trumpets, trombones, mallets, percussion instruments, electric basses. Intermediate band, you join if you have some experience on a specific instrument. An advanced band, you have at least a couple years of experience on a specific instrument or a letter of recommendation from your current or previous music teacher. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.
Well, that's it for us today.
Have a great week.
And remember that you matter.
Bye,
Bye, squad.